Togetherness. It's not something you see often between police officers and residents in volatile communities. But as you'll hear in this report, residents in one inner city community are in support of this rare camaraderie. Here's TVJ's Kian Morgan with this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope.
Recently, A Ray of Hope visited Cassava Peace in St. Andrew. It's an inner city community which has had its share of crime and violence. But one man is on a mission to change that. That man is Constable Tyrone Dixon.
I would have identified a lot of young men that I would have seen with potential, you understand? That just need the proper guidance.
Mr. Dixon, who is attached to the St. Andrew North Police Division, has been working in the force for almost a decade. Interacting with youths in the community for a number of years, Mr. Dixon has developed a connection with the residents, hearing their plight and seeing to their shortcomings. When he's not mentoring, he's either helping youths to kickstart their music career or raising funds for single parents. He's also working on a police youth club.
I'm willing to do whatever it takes to ensure that they can achieve their goal or their objective in life.
His approach comes from a deeper place because he too is a product of the streets.
I was a gang leader and now I'm a young, successful entrepreneur. I'm also a member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, so anyone can change. It's just to find the change in that person.
He believes inner city youths seeking jobs are stigmatized because of where they live. His aim is to change that.
If I am from a particular community, that doesn't mean that I'm a part of the violence that is going on in that community.
What I try to now to uplift my community, me have it on board.
Nicardo Hamilton is a disc jockey in the community.
I will leave a promising youth living in my community. You understand? Me myself is a promising young man. You understand? And me I try to do my part. Right now we are trying to develop a studio where we can take some of the youths then. You get what I say? Take them off of the road, try to teach them something where them can drift their mind from certain negative aspect.
All he wants is for his community to get back to where it was.
I can remember when Movado just I get the highlight, like daily. We have people from Europe and Asia all bought just to come take picture. You know what I mean? Opportunity they just open up. So if we can get back the community on a level and try attract back some of them people, if they come back in the ghetto, anything is possible for anyone of youth them live here. So.
Mr. Dixon is encouraging youths in volatile communities not to let their current location determine their final destination.
Believe in a dream, focus, outline your objective, work hard and you will achieve your goals.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.